In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to have the most important apps when it comes to Shopify. Stick around till the end. As you can see right here, I already have this amazing looking products page, which I really just imported with one click. So that one is a very important plugin. How do I get this one? I'll let you know. In your Shopify App Store, which you can access by searching Shopify App Store in your favorite browser, you will be prompted with this page. Click the first link. Here it is, apps.shopify.com. In the search tab, you're gonna look for AliExpress. Click enter. Once you are here, you're gonna look for this one, DSR's AliExpress dropshipping. This is not yet the one that we're looking for, but this one, as you can see right here, will place order faster, find the import product, and also find the most optimized supplier. It will let you place multiple orders at once faster to save time and gain efficiency. It will also help you find the import products very easily. And finally, it will help you find new suppliers with better prices and quality. Once we got this one very important app, we're gonna look for the next one, which is discounts. Discounts is a very important thing when it comes to Shopify. As you can see on the right corner right here, you can find our discount page right here. As you can see, for discounts, I'm really using one plugin, and here it is, this one, Volume Boost or Volume Discount. This one is a very amazing plugin, you guys. It's flexible tiered pricing, display bulk product discounts, manage tiered pricing, let your customer get quantity deal on buying certain amount of specific products. Use a notification bar on the cart page to show customers they're saving by bulk discount to upsell and increase more sales. Finally, pricing and bulk discounts are best to increase average order value as an everyday price strategy during BFSM, which is a strategy to promote more products. And the last plugin we have right here is one which we can find in the homepage, buy button channel. It's a very important one, very useful, and everyone could use it. It will help you get a buy button in any page, website, or even social media. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.